Hey everyone, if you're using Discord and worried about DDoS attacks, you're not alone. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or managing a server, a DDoS can ruin your connection, slow down your internet, or even knock you offline completely. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prevent DDoS attacks on Discord, explain where the real threats come from, and walk you through using NordVPN to protect your IP address and stay safe. Be sure to check the NordVPN link in the description. That's the tool I personally use to stay protected. A DDoS attack and/or distributed denial of service is when someone floods your network with traffic to overwhelm your connection. This can cause lag or disconnection during games, voice chat issues on Discord, or even a full internet outage for you. Now here's the key. Discord doesn't leak your IP by itself. But if you're joining random game lobbies, talking on community servers, accepting sketchy friend requests or links, your IP can get exposed through third-party tools or online games. Discord routes voice traffic through its own servers, not peer-to-peer. That means normally people can't just grab your IP from a voice channel, but the danger comes from public game servers like Minecraft, GTA 5, etc. Downloading unverified bots or scripts, clicking on shady links shared in chat, this is where you need extra protection. A VPN, like NordVPN, hides your real IP and encrypts your connection. So even if someone tries to DDoS you, your actual network stays safe. Here's how to set it up step by step. Step 1, click the NordVPN link in the description and sign up for an account. Step 2, choose your plan and create an account. Step 3, download and install the NordVPN app on your PC, Mac, or mobile. Step 4, open the app and log in. Step 5, enable threat protection for extra security. Step 6, choose a server near your region for low latency, or connect to any location you prefer. Step 7, once connected, your IP is now masked and your traffic is encrypted. Now, even if someone tries to launch a DDoS attack, it'll hit NordVPN's network, not yours. Here are a few more things you can do to protect yourself. Don't click suspicious links, even from people you know. Don't accept random friend requests. Don't run unverified bots on your server. Keep Discord and your system up to date. Consider using a VPN whenever you're gaming or using voice channels. These steps, combined with a strong VPN like NordVPN, give you solid protection. So that's how you prevent DDoS attacks on Discord, by protecting your IP, using a VPN, and being smart with your online activity. Use NordVPN to hide your IP and block attackers. Follow the safety tips to avoid exposing your info. Click the link in the description to try NordVPN. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's totally risk-free. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. Like the video if it helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.